Your stomach has a limit, but a glass of milk does not. Liquid calories let hard gainers hit a surplus without the food coma struggle. Here is exactly how to use them. Hard gainers often fail on bulks not because they are not trying, but because solid food is too filling. By 3 in the afternoon, they have already maxed out their stomach capacity, so hitting a true surplus feels like punishment. Funny moment: think of someone staring at a chicken breast like it is a final exam they did not study for. Solid food fatigue is real, and it kills bulk momentum fast. Research published in 2024 found that liquid energy triggers lower satiety signals than solid food, meaning you can consume more without feeling full. Whole milk, mass gainers, and blended smoothies all pack calories fast. A review of hard gainer protocols found that liquid calories elevated total daily intake by 600 to 900 calories in underweight trainees without significant discomfort. A 400-calorie liquid meal is the difference between failing and succeeding on a bulk. One shake added twice daily pushes you into a clean surplus, no extra plates of food needed. Step 1. Drink 1 500 milliliter glass of whole milk with breakfast and dinner, roughly 300 calories added without effort. Step 2. Make a post-workout gainer shake with 1 scoop protein, blended oats, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and whole milk. Step 3. Prep the ingredients the night before so your morning grab is zero friction. The myth says your body treats liquid calories differently and ignores them for growth. The truth: a calorie is a calorie for fuel purposes. Liquid calories make it physically easier to reach your number, which is why they are especially powerful for hard gainers. Think of them as the cheat code for stomach capacity. Today you learned that liquid calories are the most practical tool for hard gainers hitting a surplus. Start your gainer shake today and do not look back. This has been InfoVital. Like, subscribe, share. Tomorrow, day 11, we settle the great debate: clean bulk versus dirty bulk, and what 2025 data actually says.